Hello friends, today I am going to give you a very interesting concept which will help you in your predictions and which will give you very precise and accurate predictions if you use this concept. This concept I have taken from our very respected text of Indian astrology. So as per this concept, you have to see what is the malefic sign for your chart, or I would say what are the malefic signs for your chart. So under this, the 8th lord is your malefic lord, and wherever this 8th lord is sitting and the trinal houses to the 8th lord and the aspected houses to this 8th lord would be your malefic signs. In addition to that, this 8th lord sits in some sign in your Navamsha chart, and that sign and the trinal houses to that sign are also your malefic signs. So which means all these signs would be the malefic signs and the remaining signs would be your benefic signs. I will explain you this with the help of an example. Let's say we take a Sagittarius Lagna, and in this Lagna the 8th lord is moon, which means Cancer is falling in the 8th house. Say this planet moon is sitting in your Lagna, and from here the trinal houses would be your 5th house and the 9th house, that is Aries and Leo. So Sagittarius, Aries and Leo are the houses which are the malefic houses for this particular chart. The moon aspects to the sign Gemini, that is the 7th aspect. So Gemini also becomes your malefic sign for this example. So let's say this planet moon is sitting in Virgo in the Navamsha. So Virgo, Taurus and Capricorn, which means these three trinal houses in the Navamsha also becomes the malefic signs for this particular example. So these 7 signs, that is 1, 5, 9 and 3 and 6, 2 and 10. So these all 7 signs would be your malefic signs, and any planet, whether it is a malefic planet or it is a benefic planet, when these planets will be transiting these malefic signs, they will definitely give you some problem or the other during the time they are transiting in those signs. So the remaining signs for this chart are your benefic signs. So which means any planet, if it is transiting in your benefic signs, will definitely give you good results. So which also means that during the Sade Sati time, if your Saturn is transiting through your benefic signs, you need not be feared of Sade Sati. And if this Saturn is transiting through your malefic sign, at that time there would be some kind of mental distress or some other kind of problem that you will face during the Sade Sati period. So one more thing that you have to keep in your mind is that the planet which is transiting in your malefic signs would affect the Karkas. So say Venus is transiting in one of your malefic signs, which means that the Karka of Venus would suffer during that time. Say Sun is transiting in one of your malefic signs, so which means the Karka which is related to Sun would be suffering during that transit period of 1 month. So suppose Mercury is transiting in one of your malefic signs, it means the Karka of Mercury, education, friends, etc. would be suffering during that particular period of transit. So one more thing, whenever these Karkas are transiting in your benefic signs, at that time you will certainly get very good results related to the Karkas. So this is all for today, friends. I hope you have understood my point. In my next video, I will come up with one more interesting tip. Until then, see you friends. Goodbye.